Are you looking for the best screwdriver sets in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best screwdriver sets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Amartisan 10-piece magnetic screwdriver set. After testing dozens of screwdrivers and bit sets, we think this set from Amartisan is an excellent choice for both first-time users as well as more experienced DIers. It includes 5 flathead and 5 Phillips head screwdrivers in the most commonly used sizes. We found them to be sturdy and comfortable to use in each of our tests. All of the tools are made from chrome vanadium steel with black oxide tips to resist corrosion. The tips are magnetized, which helps keep screws in place while you work. The handles are ergonomically shaped with a non-slip, rubbery coating that made them easy to grip and comfortable to hold, even if you need to apply a little extra torque to turn a stubborn screw. We also like that each screwdriver has its type and size very clearly labeled on the handle. There's a hole at the end of each handle, which could be used to mount the screwdriver on a hanging peg as well. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt screwdriver bit set with tough case. We especially loved the included extender, which made wielding the tool more like a regular screwdriver and also made it easier to switch out the bits. This set includes Phillips, square, slotted, and double-ended bits. We found all of the tips were easy to secure into the drill's chuck. Plus, we like that the bits can be used in just about any power drill, and all 45 pieces are stored in an industrial strength, hard top carrying case. We did find it a bit tough to remove the bits from the storage case, as they fit in place quite snugly. However, we found this to be an excellent set of screwdriver bits that are very sturdy and effective. The 3rd product on our list is the Craftsman 5-piece screwdriver set. If you only need a screwdriver on occasion for simple tasks, like tightening a door handle, there's no reason to spend a lot of money. With the Craftsman 5-piece screwdriver set, you get 4 screwdrivers in the most common sizes for use around the home: #1 and #2 Phillips head and 1/4" and 1/8" slotted, as well as a small offset screwdriver with a Phillips head on one side and a slotted head on the other. We found this set performed well in all of our tests. Our only complaint was the lack of a case. The 4 screwdrivers have sturdy acetate handles that are comfortable to hold and heat-treated steel alloy shafts for long life and reliable performance. You shouldn't have to worry about them rolling off of the table if you set them down while working. We found there was very minimal roll due to the grip's octagon shape. Second on our list is the Zuul Precision Laptop Screwdriver Kit. The screwdriver itself is equipped with a magnetic tip, useful for both pulling screws out and lining them up with the hole. And the flexible extension rod allows you to adjust the length of the screwdriver, depending on the size of the object you're working on. We especially like the elastic bracelet with a corded alligator clip attached that allows you to keep a grip on those tiny screws used in eyeglasses and other delicate items. This kit also comes with an assortment of other useful tools, like a utility knife, 3 precision tweezers, a 6-inch ruler, and much more. The hard tool case is wrapped up in a convenient soft carrying bag that folds closed. It is easy to store in a drawer or toolbox. Just keep in mind the bag closes with an elastic band, which we found to be a little tricky to open. Finally, the top product on our list is the Jackson Palmer 218. If you do a wide variety of DIY projects, work professionally in construction or maintenance, you'll have any bit you may ever need with this 218-piece set from Jackson Palmer. We love the completeness of this set, as well as the strong performance and sturdiness of all the included pieces. We also like the well-organized carrying case, which is labeled for size and type on all of the components. It holds the bits in place securely, but isn't too tight to remove them easily for use. The set includes nut drivers, flathead, Phillips, Torx, security bits, square, hex, socket, and many other specialty bits in a wide range of commonly used sizes from small to large, as well as bit adapters and holders. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.